Hey everyone, I'm Ethan from Zappos.com and this is the Munch Backpack Combo Lunch Kit from Champion. You and your kids are sure to love this super durable backpack with its lunchbox combo. This lunchbox has these hook and loop closure straps on each side so you can detach it with ease because you really don't want to try to make a lunch when it's attached to the side of a backpack. The backpack has a carrying handle on the top with two padded shoulder straps on the back that are completely adjustable there. And it's got a mesh pocket on each side so you can store your water bottles or your umbrellas with ease. The lunchbox has the carrying handle on top with the two locks on each side so you can attach it to the bag. The lunchbox has a single zip closure on the front there. It opens up to that insulated lunchbox on the inside there. Plenty of room to store your child's lunch with ease. The main bag has a single spacious wide open pocket on the top there. Opens up to a pretty extensive storage area there. Gives you plenty of options to carry stuff around, whether it's for school or for just a day out on the park. Make sure they have everything they need when you send them off to school with this great backpack. It's from Champion.